Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 331. Hey Robbie.
What's going on, guys? It's Robbie here from YM Camera, and it is an exciting day because it's like a milestone in the YM Camera life. We've been into business since 1951, guys. It's been a while. My grandfather started it, and then my father came on board, then I came here, and then Heather came here. This is such a big deal. Heather came onto our business, completely changed the way we do education, the way we do live videos, and the way we communicate with our customers. And we are so happy to have you part.
Thank you.
It's been fun.
This has literally been the best year of my life.
I agree. It's been awesome.
It has been awesome. Our 1 year anniversary was so exciting to me.
It's our 1 year, Heather. It's so nice. I love it.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah. We had our 1 year party today, and it was super fun. We did a lot of education and learning, and we have a drawing.
We do have a drawing. So Heather told me that, hey, we're giving away a $100 gift card today. And I'm very excited about that. So
and access to all of the online courses
about that.
The Flourish Academy offers. Robbie, that's an $800 value.
Can you tell us a few of the courses they're going to win today?
So that would be Lightroom for photographers, complete Lightroom course, complete Photoshop course, website course, SEO course, and pricing for profitability. Oh, and the exposure triangle course.
Hey, real quick, let me go grab a form because I really want to be entered to win that. That sounds awesome, guys. I can't win. I'm not in it. I wish I was, but that's awesome. But we had a lot of people stop by today. We got a bag full of them, and I don't want to pull it. You don't want to pull it.
We're gonna have Bree.
We need a Bree Thompson. Come on, hook us up. We got get in the frame here. All right, we got Bree Thompson Photogs.
Okay.
With her new can of 5Ds. Shake it up. Pick a winner.
Pick a winner. Pick a winner. Who is it?
Inger Oaks.
Inger. She's here. Woo! $100 gift card. Yeah. Come here. You got to enter the frame here. Inger won. This is awesome. So Inger won. She's got a brand new T7i, and I think you were looking at a macro lens today, weren't you?
Yes. And now you have $100.
Now you have a $100 credit here at YM Camera. So.
And listen to this. Inger just entered, and she said to me, "I win at these things all the time. I'm a winner." Like I mean, it's the truth.
You could feel her presence here. I think. Like you could feel the.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for your continued support, and we're so excited about Flourish.Academy.
She happens to be here.
I was just talking to her, right over there.
Right over there.
Like, this whole time I'm like giving her cupcakes and cookies. I'm like, take this.
She's a winner.
And I already picked her out of. There we go.
That's awesome.
Going.
It's awesome. So the fun doesn't stop at 1 year. It's only going to get better here.
You're my lucky charm.
We have a lot of fun stuff coming up, don't we, Heather?
We do. We have a lot of classes coming up this summer. Also, we are expanding the education department here at YM. We're going to have new instructors. We're going to have more classes, a lot more offerings. It's going to be awesome.
And a special surprise coming up in a few months here. It's going to be really, really cool.
It is going to be great.
Thanks, guys. You guys are the very best. And, hey, have a good weekend. Enjoy the weather.
We'll see you soon.